am at Barcelona right now. I am filming on my phone first of all. The battery in my camera somehow is not working. So we just arrived at the hotel and I am going to do a room tour for you guys. And yeah, this is my girlfriend. Say hi.
Hi.
So, okay. So this hotel is really small, but it has everything that we need. So I'm going to do a room tour for you guys and let's get started. Okay, so when I walk in, this is what I see. First, there's this door. I haven't, okay, let's see what's in there. So, okay, so it's a bathroom. In the hallway, you get the sink with a beautiful ring light mirror. And then this is a toiletries. And then right behind me, it's like a mirror. This is just my airport outfit. I'm just wearing a t-shirt with my Lorna Studio Active pants. It's very loose and it's tapered at the bottom with my Nike shoes. I love these pants. They're so comfy. I always wear them when I need to go to the airport. And then behind me, there are some towels. And then, oh wow, okay, you can actually close this door. Okay, there's this like a divider kind of thing. And then you get a beautiful shower. So this is what it looks like. And then we open the door, you see my girlfriend.
Hi everyone again.
And then we just have the two beds. But then it's a really tiny hotel, but it's really good. I feel like there are a lot of storage rooms. Did you break the door? No. Oh my god, my girlfriend broke the door. I didn't do it. Okay, so and then you can put stuff along the bench. I feel like
I think you can slice over that side. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's
See,
over.
so you can slice it.
Wow.
Oh, and you get the TV. Let me show you. Oh, you get the TV and everything. And then just the fridge. I mean, mini bar with coffee machines. These are our luggages. And then a sitting area. And then you get another beautiful mirror. So yes. And then we have a beautiful city view. This is what we see outside. Today is just gonna be super chilled. We're just gonna change to our swimsuit. And then there's a rooftop pool. We're gonna go there and then just get a drink. And then maybe swim, get some color. And then we will get ready for dinner. So yeah, that's everything. I'll check it back in later maybe. Bye. Hi guys, so we're at the pool right now. I just went for a swim. The swimming pool is not that big, but it's on the rooftop. You can have drinks, tapas, food and stuff. So I really want to have sangria, but they didn't have it, so I ordered a margarita. Cheers. Okay. So we're just chilling at the pool, and yes, let me show you the view. Oh, it's so good. So this is the view. Let me show you guys. So you can tell the pool is not that big, and the gym is right there. And this is the pool. This is the view. Yeah. And then you can sit there. The bar is right there. And then my friend is just sitting. Hi everyone! We're going to dinner right now with my girlfriend. We went to the pool. We took a nap because we were so tired. And now we got dressed and gonna go for dinner.
Weather was pretty nice.
Yeah, the weather is really nice, and I feel like that 1 hour power nap really helped.
Yeah, it does.
So like an hour or 30 minutes. It's really good. So we're going to this like really good restaurant. I don't know how good it is, but from social media and and the reviews, they have really good, what's it called? Yeah, paella.
Yala.
Paella. But you know, the risotto thing, the seafood risotto thing is really good. So gonna go check it out. And today it's Sunday, so
I think it's closed.
yeah, so all the shops are closed. Yo, 这是什么?
Oh,
there's a bakery. Maybe we can, or we can go for breakfast or something, right? So, yeah. Oh, it's really good. We're gonna explore a little bit. Maybe after dinner. Really like the location of our hotels at the city center. Yeah, this place. And then, but we're just gonna go for dinner. We can explore. But it would be nice if we can come back and take some photos. If no, probably it's gonna be dark. Oh, and then we see Versace. Yeah. Versace. Cartier, it's over there. With this, yes, the Weissman.
There's different things.
Okay. All the shops are closed. I'm a shoe. Okay. I see Hermes. I don't know if I can get something from here. I don't know if we'll come back. Yeah. Okay, guys, we have arrived at the restaurant. It wasn't that long of a walk. Honestly, I really like our hotel location. So anyways, this is it. So guys, we just arrived at the restaurant. Oh my god, the restaurant is so big and it's so beautiful. It has like different sections. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. See how gorgeous it is. It has so many bars and everything. Okay, I can't really turn and
She'll make it a big.
yeah. Fish. The decor is just so nice. And then they give us some free olives, which I don't really like. With this and then Tabasco sauce and all that stuff. So, okay, cheers. It's fine. I know, it's okay. Can you just change a plate for me? Okay, thank you. It's fine. Do you like it? Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah, just leave it on the side. Okay. Our food is here.
Fried shrimps.
Oh my god, looks so good.
My good. And a salad.
Sounds good. Thank you. Our main course is arriving any minute now. It's the paella. Is it paella? You know, the seafood risotto thing. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks like right after it's here. Oh, our food is here. Oh my god, it looks so good. Wow, looks really,
How you
really
want? I divide it in two players.
Okay, please. Can you divide it, please?
Why not?
Thank you. And then he's gonna divide it for us. But oh look, it's so good. the bathroom is. Oh my god. It's so retro. Bye. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom. And, oh, it's big. Hi, there's a mirror again. Hi. Mirrors everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Then the other one.
要我拿包吗？
不用，没事。That's so
Washing
cool.
your hand?
It's really, really cool.
The pencil so cute, right?
Yeah.
把拽一拽。
Oh, it's really cool. Okay. So they have a powder room as well.
Are we gonna check it now?
Look at the powder room. Look at the powder room is. Oh my god, look.
我往旁边拍一张，侧面。吃一下又吃拉倒。
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a beautiful powder room. Okay, so we just finished dinner. I just feel like I ate too much, I drank too much. Oh my god, we're just gonna walk around, but I feel sick, so I love this restaurant. It's really nice.